Bob?
What's this?
My mom and I came to Ikea because I had to return this cabinet shelf thing I got that didn't fit in our house. We had to wait for so long, but the kids did really good. My mom remembered that Tuesday is Kids Eat Free Day, so we are heading through the whole place to go upstairs to get to the Kids Eat Free area.
Time to go up and away. Quiet, make a noise.
Yeah, it's a hot day. I'm hanging in the sunshine. You should hit me with the splash gun. So won't you come on over? We can party till the sun's down. Baby, let me buy you a drink or a dance in the blink. I could go for some coffee too. This is going. If you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide. You can go wherever.
Yep. That was a boom.
Yeah, pretty good.
That was a boom. I saw this and I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna go right through here. And it did the minimal damage. I love it.
Good morning, Thompsonites! So today is uber fun. We are running errands. I know you guys love that. Everybody has one kid. So my parents have Journey, Tyler has Talon, I have Jaspen. Tyler's running majority of our errands that we were supposed to do down the hill today. So he's taking his parents to go do something. Then he's going to our door place and trying to get another door because our door's bowed out. I will insert a video here to show you guys.
Bowed.
I spent the morning sending them pictures and videos just so that they would replace our doors because we bought them months ago. So I think as far as like a returning thing, it's probably expired. He's ordering our baseboards as well for our bedroom that we don't have. And he's gonna call Grandpa and go do some stuff with him. I'm gonna go do some very fun stuff with Jaspen. We're gonna head down to the planning department. I have to get a little bit more information regarding like our easement and our fence. I've got some really good stuff figured out about it. So I just wanna clarify that those are the things that are going on with the easement. I also have some paperwork that I need to refill out and turn in. Then I'm gonna head over to the water department place to get a cup because I need to go have our water tested. You're supposed to do that every couple of years and make sure that there's no bacteria in your water. So I'm gonna go do that. Talon is the only person in our house who does not have a good amount of clothes to choose from, and school is starting very soon. So I'm gonna go get Talon some more clothes. I'll probably go to a couple more places, but I just don't know yet. And I'm sure I'll stop for some type of coffee beverage in between all that. Look, they have toys for the kids, which is awesome. Bob? Ooh, crossword puzzles. Those are my favorite. Why don't you go play with the toys? I don't know if you guys can tell in the camera, but our sky is gray, full of smoke. This is what the air quality is right now. It's so bad because of all the fires, and it's really hot here. I rolled my window. Close sesame. I made it to the water place. Baby just woke up, finally. Did you have a good sleep? Oh, this is gonna go great. Okay, let's head in there.
Well, good morning, times and nights. Talon and I are doing a couple errands, aren't we? Are we going doing a couple errands? Yeah. I got my mommy and this invader.
Is it on? Yeah. I don't see anybody in there.
Kisses for grandma. Kisses for grandma. I loves for grandma. All right, Dad, loves. Have fun.
That was cute.
That was tripping.
That was scary.
We're here at Heritage 1 Building Supplies, where we have got our doors. We're supposed to come in here and get some baseboard. Which one is it? I don't even know. No. Oh, that looks like it. All right, well, we got the baseboard ordered. Printing it. Look at that. Is that my door right there? These are probably orders going out, looks like. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice in there. AC blowing, I like it. Gonna pick up these sticks and then hopefully get this door taken care of. Are these right here going out? Are these orders? Yeah. Okay. Okay.
You been across the street before?
No. They asked me to drive out and around to the other lot. This is where all the baseboard and trim is in this ginormous building. Hey, are you having fun?
Hi.
Yeah, hold on, stay there. Okay, got the 3 baseboards down, anchored, anchored, anchored. The door situation, they were saying that it could be installed incorrectly, so rather than have them order a door, I'm gonna go home, take the door off, and look at it down the steam and everything. He said there's a way you can cheat it. We could not pick up the ladder that my wife wanted me to do, so we're actually over here at Costco because there is 1 or 2 things we need here, one being lunch. You want to eat?
Yeah.
Okay, want to have a drink?
Go, you drink.
Okay, so we're gonna go in here, grab a couple things, and then get lunch, and then head home. What?
Dog, chicken.
You want dog and chicken?
Yeah.
All right. Oh yeah, I also have to get gas. Or diesel, I should say, because I'm in my truck. The diesel truck. I have no idea what he's saying half the time. Costco. $3.76 a gallon for diesel. Where is it? What's diesel in your area? Put in the comments. Make me feel horrible because California is just ridiculous right now. What are you doing? You got your card. We got muffins and milk and cheese and coffee for Mom and Dad. Oh, here he has it. He has it. And cereal for the morning. Yes. What a fun day, let me tell you. Thank you. How'd you get so dirty? So we got a full combo pizza to go and 1 Polish dog. It's gonna be delicious. If you guys have ever had Costco pizza, by far one of the better pizzas I've had in comparison to everybody else in price. And $10 for a giant pizza, you can't beat that. Guys, here's the deal. Jessica's getting attacked by the cat. No, go again.
The cat's going through all the holes and stabbing me.
Go, get it, do it.
Like a haunted house.
She's standing back as the cat's getting her. Called Grandpa tonight because we heard through the grapevine he was coming up tomorrow. And we're like, wait, is that true? And so we called Grandpa and he said, yeah, I have to go do this and then I'll be up. And we're supposed to have painted the baseboards and crown molding, which we did not. So, lo and behold, we are out here right now. Got the lights set up, got the baseboards and the crown molding set up, and Jessica's going to town with her night light.
Wait, is it off? That's off, right?
One more.
Oh, one more?
Yeah. High, medium, or high, low,
Okay.
off.
This is my problem. That is my first problem. Because of the lights, as I'm painting, all these little bugs keep landing on the baseboards and getting stuck. So I keep having to pull them off. What time is it? It's super late.
It's late. So right now Jessica's painting baseboards and the crown molding. So that Grandpa has freshly painted baseboards and crown molding in the morning. We got music, we got lights, we got dance.
Great neighbor.
I set this up, there's nothing more I can do, so I am actually in here sharpening my chainsaws. And what's cool about this is you turn it on, it spins like so, just pull it down. A little bit of sparkies. Big saws sharpened one of my 25-inch blades. This is my secondary. I have to rotate this the other way. I just didn't want to do it yet because I have a bunch of other saw blades I need to sharpen, i.e. my 20-inchers, which are all right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the chainsaw. Jessica, how you doing over here?
I've got one more. Well, I mean, I have these last 3 short ones.
Okay.
I don't want him.
You're gonna die, bug!
I don't want him on my baseboard.
Get him. We'll just put it right here. Oh, look at all that. Oh, it's scary. It's scary. It's scary out here. Not. All right, so these are gonna dry overnight, and we're gonna find lots of bugs and probably cat prints all over it. They do look a lot whiter. I should.
Do they?
Yeah. Do they?
They were already clean and white. See, when I painted the ones from inside the house, there was like, they were so dirty. Oh, you're so funny.
Yeah.
They were so like gross.
Yeah.
So when I painted them, I was like, ooh, this looks good.
This looks
These
amazing.
already started out looking amazing.
Yeah. Well, that's what we're doing. So look at that pear tree. It's just covered in pears. So exciting. Because when I come home from work, I usually grab 2 off and I go, the green ones, not the yellow ones.
so
But though, they're not good right now. They're sour and bitter and hard. Do you guys prefer hard, crunchy pears or the yellow, mushy pears? Put that in the comments. Hard, crunchy pear or yellow, mushy pear?
Oh my gosh, can you hear my sensor light?
Oh, sensor light. On you go. On you. Oh, thank you. Thank you so very much. Carry on.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really